Okay, recording.
Lovely. Lost your wallet? Alright, hang on. Hi, I'm Nogusaurus, and I'm here to bring you a serious announcement. You see, sometimes we're all just humans, and we do stupid human things. For example, we lose our wallets. Our lives turn into chaotic disarray. We don't know where things are, but we need them on us in our day-to-day lives. We're modern human beings. And so, the staple wallet comes to play. You see, the staple wallet allows you to take anything you want with you on the go on your busy and modern life. You simply hold the item to any part of your body. It's convenient as fuck. Then, you rest the Staple X Pro across that part of your body with the item in between. Then, you slap it. Ah. That was a shitty one, because I'm a pussy. Oh! No, I have no muscle there. Hang on. Can you slap it? Just hard as you can. One big whack. There. That's one example. Money, notes, not coins. Coupons.
Why not coins?
Coins are, well, that'll be in the new update where it comes with an air compressor on the side. Other shoulder, coupon. Coupons! And, I didn't say yes yet. There's another one, another coupon. Hang on, go.
We're gonna get heaps of free
Snack
shit today.
foods! Jesus. I'll turn that to my leg actually. Yeah, there.
You can do that.
Go. What's fucking pain? Oh! Bread! Coupons! Money! Chips.
Chips.
Give me a chip. Come on! Oh, fuck. Do it again. It didn't work.
Oh shit.
Hang on, gotta get that other. Hang on. Okay, go. Have you got a box of band-aids or something that we could snap?
Hopefully.
Find one quick. Wait,
Okay.
tissue. Grab the tissue. Okay. Have a cold on the go.
Tissues for the blood of the other place. The blood of the other things.
Swine flu got you down. Stapler Explorer can help. Harder. You're gonna have to, hang on. Okay, gonna have to do a harder one. Fuck, you're brutal with this. Go. Boom. No, it didn't go through again.
Damn it, tough skins.
No, I think we're out of staples.
Hang on.
We're out of staples. Oh. Go get more staples. Oh, the bread fell off.
No.
I think the staple's still in though. Ow. Stapler X Pro. For a convenient modern you. On the go.
Don't think we have any more staples.
Fucking ow.
Hang on.
Hang on, I'll rip it off.
That's real blood.
Why would it be fake blood? Ow, I've got this perfect little hole.
No.
I hope those staples weren't like rusty or anything. I don't want another fucking
Oh
tetanus needle.
shit!
Alright. So if you like this video...
Next time we use a staple gun.
Okay. Yeah, we're alright. So, kids, if you like this video, that was a word from our sponsors, advertisement. Sorry that you probably had to watch through an ad to get to another ad. But if you like this ad and would like to see more fucking videos with little to no preparation and thought on the spot, and that fucking hurt, man. Like, when you think about it, it doesn't hurt as much as you think it would, but then it still fucking stings. Alright, so, yeah, if you like the video, there's a button to help you express that sentiment, and comments and whatnot. And yeah, I know I don't have a six-pack. Where's my nipple? Get some nipple. You like that nipple.